I'm going to start plant physiology in this series. First of all, we will discuss about plant cell. So let us start with the discovery of cell. So the first question that comes to our mind, that who discovered the cell? It's obviously Robert Hooke. We have studied from since I think class 5, 6 we have studied. So Robert Hooke in the year 1665 he discovered cell. He cut thin slices of cork and then examined under the crude microscope. Now what he found, that the thin slice of cork were made up of very small chambers, and then he named those chambers as cells. At that time he could not observe the details of the cell because the materials which he examined was dead and consisted only cell walls. And later on, many other scientists experimented with the living materials and concluded that all the plants and animals are made up of cells which are filled with semi-solid jelly-like substance. Now comes Robert Brown in picture. As we all know that he discovered nucleus in the year 1831, and then after Sliden and Sean, Sliden, who was a lawyer and then turned into botanist, and Sean, he was a zoologist, and they put forward the very known cell theory, which states that the cell is structural and functional unit of all the plants and animals. And later on, the result of observation made by other scientists like Robert Remake, then Rudolf Virchow in 1858, they said that the cell arise from the division of the pre-existing cell. Means the cell arises only if there is initially a cell before that. Then Colliker in the year 1843 he recognized the jelly substance in the cell, which is known as cytoplasm, and von Mohl in 1846 he suggested that the cytoplasm and the nucleus together should be called as protoplasm. Now with the advancement of microscope, light microscope, especially the invention of electron microscope in 1931, E. Ruska, what did he gave detailed structure of the cell. Many structures like endoplasmic reticulum, cell organelles, and fine structure of the nucleus, etc. Were observed. Now in the next next video of this series, we will discuss about cell and its components.